Hello everyone, my name is MB Shahjan Ahmed. Today I want to talk about ERP system, that how ERP system work, what are the module has ERP system, especially on the Business Central. Microsoft have business applications which is called the Business Central. It is a small and medium enterprise level ERP system. Today I want to cover some of the features information with you. And the most important part is that these presentations belongs to a very basic level of information about the ERP system. I will try to share some of the core features of Business Central and some of the advantages of using ERP system, how ERP help to the company and how it is work on the working efficiency growth. Today basically we will talk about that. So let's start. So Business Central has some of the core features which is needed by the everyday functionality of each and every organization. Is like financial module, inventory module, sales and marketing, and the customer relationship management or the project management itself. This is very a plug and play ERP software, which is a cloud based we call it. And nowadays Microsoft they build one ERP system which is need to be just for the license base only. You don't need to buy a whole ERP system. It's a cloud based. Just need to purchase licensing and you can able to access the entire system of the ERP. So what we understand that hardcore of a business is a financial module, and then it's related with the supply chain management, then it's related with the sales and marketing, and the last one is the project management. And these are the four core components Business Central has covered. So now let's talk about the advantages of Business Central ERP system. What we know that the management need to take a decision in every single day, every single hour, and the decision should be based on the analytical of data. So Business Central is such a ERP system which will show you at one dashboard with the numerical data and what exactly update of the sales department or each and every department single. So for the making the fastest decision making, we need a such ERP system which shows the real time information, and that also covered by the Business Central. And make smarter decision, which is most important for entrepreneur or businessman. For decision making is like opportunities never come regularly basis, so we need to take a decision or smart decision in very frequently basis. So Business Central has a dashboard, analytical part, reporting. So by that information or by that have a look over on that, management can take decisions that these are the update of my sales today. It says so what should be in the next 5 years or next 2 years of my company position. So this sort of help can be taken from the Business Central ERP system. And the last part is start and grow easily. Is that we know that the cloud computing system is a very new technology in Bangladesh, and for cloud bases, people need to understand and need have a training for use the ERP system. You know that. So Business Central is such a ERP system which is really very easy to use. Is everyone can use it in very easy way. Now I want to talk about role-based and process-based features of Business Central ERP system. As we know that for the role-based owner, they have a separate role. Financial manager, they have a separate role. Marketing manager, or supply chain manager, or the project manager. So Business Central have a separate role-based functionalities. Like for the management point of view, they want to see the dashboards or reporting analytical part. For that, Business Central has the Power BI. And the next level of the marketing manager, they want to develop the design and want to share the newsletter with the customer, or even want to track the contacts and information of the prospects or the leads. So now I will tell you how ERP work in the organization. So what we see in the organization, that one organization have 2, 3, 4 or dozen types of department, and they work standalone basis. They doesn't have any interlink with each other. So ERP simply help to integrate with each others, and that will help to increase the working efficiency. So what we see that when department doesn't have any interlink with each other, it will consume time to process the transaction. But in ERP system, what we see that real-time transactions, we need to have an interrelationship with each other. So that is the very simple meaning of the ERP, the single platform island where all the department has interlink, and they work with the real-time data moving. So sales department might be they have all over the enter in Bangladesh. It is difficult to monitor to the big sales department and field level information, but within the ERP or the business central, it's very easy to capture all the data, real-time data, what exactly happened, today's sales, tomorrow's orders, or the last day's sales record. It is very easy to track the data, and for that purpose management can take the decision for the go-ahead level, or what should be take the decision for upcoming situation. So ERP in a single word, we can say that is the single island where all the department has an interlink, and they can work together in a single platform database sharing system. So now let me tell you the core module of Business Central. We know that Business Central is a small and medium enterprise level ERP system, but it does cover entire level of functionalities of each and every department, such as like the financial management, supply chain management, customer relationship management, project management, even manufacturers, and the service management. Business Central, Dynamics Business Central is basically a cloud computing system. So nowadays is a very advanced level of technologies, and they promote the Business Central as a cloud computing basis. So now you don't need to buy an entire ERP software, just to need to buy a user license. So for that reason, so you don't need to hire any software engineer or even any database administrator or any sort of IT department. So just purchase the user license, what you need, what type of module that you need, and you can use it. For first time, maybe you need implementation team, but that can be manageable. But after that, for 10 to 15 years, so everything inside of the Business Central, you just plug and play, and you can use it for your company. If you need any sort of more explanation, please contact with me. I think this is the time to go move on forward to the automation system, and that is why we are trying to reach at any level of problem by solving by the Microsoft application basically. So thanks for watching my video, and thank you so much.